Howdy, everybody. I'm back. We've got another arrangement of a classic bluegrass song, one that Earl Scruggs recorded way back when, late 50s, early 60s. And it's an old tune, actually, from the 1800s called Home Sweet Home. And you might have heard it done by different people, even folk musicians do it. But Earl Scruggs did it in a drop C tuning. In other words, he lowered his fourth string down to a C from a D, and he played it that way out of a C, key of C. This one here, I thought I'd arrange it for the key of G, and just to be different, but also so I don't have to retune that fourth string, and then knocks the other ones out a little bit. So there's always that retuning problem with banjos, you know. So this is in G, but if you're at a jam or if you're in a band that the player, somebody else wants to do it in C, well, and just capo up to the 5th fret, and you've got C. You play this arrangement at the 5th fret, you've got C. Remember to raise your 5th string correspondingly 5 frets. So you put it in. If you have the little railroad spikes or sliding 5th string capo, you can grab that at 5 frets higher. So in C it would be here, capo here, 5th string, 5 frets higher also, correspondingly. So there we go. Now there's a couple of things in this arrangement. Maybe something you haven't seen before. This is an intermediate arrangement. It's not really a beginner's, but I have a slide on the 2nd string from 1st fret to 3rd with my index, and you'll see it in the tab. I'll post a tab in a minute. And so I just index, 1st fret, 2nd string. As soon as you slide up to the 3rd fret, you hit the 1st string open. Those are the same notes, a D note. Just like you did on the slide on the 3rd string. You slide up and then hit the 2nd string right when you finish the slide. So that's one. Another aspect here is a pull off on that 2nd string, 1st fret to open. It's on the 4th line of the tab, you'll see that. And the rest, you probably know that the famous tag lick. It's halfway through the tab. So if you don't know it, 5th string, 3rd string, 2nd fret, slide up to 3rd or 4th fret. I just slide to 3rd. There's a bluesy flavor. Or you can slide all the way to 4th, it would sound like this. Player's choice, your choice. What else? We're going up to the 5th fret. I use pinky and ring finger. Fret the 1st and 2nd string at the 5th fret. And it runs down to it's actually a C. It's a part of a D, back to a part of a C, lower one, and back to G. else might be new for you? Right at the end, there's a little, I end it like this. It's just kind of a melodic, part of a melodic kind of style playing, where you fret a higher note on a lower string. Here's that weirdness again. I'm playing C, and then for C on the third string, 5th fret, and then I hit the second string open, which is a B. It's a lower note, but a higher string. And then I go to the 5th, 7th fret, 4th string, 1st string open, ending. It's used a lot. Kind of Bill Keith style, Bobby Thompson style, just a little bit of that. And that is it. Again, now, instead of this tag lick at the end, which I went through earlier, we'll do a variation on that one. Earl Scruggs uses this a lot also. Instead of starting on the 5th string, this starts on the 3rd string, and you do that slide. Here's the other one. All right. And this one. Two ways to do the same thing, but it's different. And you try not to repeat too much, because the audience might not know it, but if you repeat too often, subconsciously it might get monotonous. So try to vary things up as much as you can to make it interesting for yourself playing and for anybody listening. So that's it. I'll post the tab, and then I have I'll post in this video, I'll post a slow version. I played it very slow. Again, you can, this will be on YouTube, so you can slow the slow version down if you really want to follow the tab. Scan the tab, and then you've got in front of you, and you can listen to my slow version at half speed or so on YouTube. You can follow every note, and that way you can, again, get it from the page into your head and eventually into your fingers. So good luck.